Hello folks, and welcome to Jake's Wings again for another video. So this video today is the return from Frankfurt to Stansted on Sunday when we were hit by Storm Dennis. As you can see, we're now pushing back, so get ready and enjoy the flight. I'll give my opinions about the flight throughout the video and towards the end as well, where I'll give a final review of the flight. Enjoy folks.
Will drop automatically from the panel above your head. If this happens, remain seated. Pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. To secure the mask, pull one end of the strap. Adults traveling with young children, please attend to your own mask first. Your life jacket is stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from it.
So on this Ryanair flight on the way back to Stansted, the aircraft that we had the older seats, which, and this is only nitpicking, don't have as much space in them as the newer seats which we had on the outbound. But other than that, they're perfectly comfortable, as you can see in that short clip. But on this taxi around, this is the exciting bit. You're going to see some pretty good aircraft sitting there. For example, Lufthansa's Retrojet Boeing 747-8i, a couple of MD-11s, some Condor aircraft, including the 767, and some A340s. Enjoy! Warning, this is your Retrojet and MD-11 alert. Coming up on the left hand side. Enjoy! As you can see, we're now turning onto runway 18 at Frankfurt. We get held on runway 18 whilst a China Southern 777 freighter departs runway 25 left. Enjoy the flight, folks, and I'll give some more feedback on the route. As you probably can't see due to the cloud, we've started our descent into Stansted. During the flight, I bought myself a can of Pepsi and a Kit Kat, as you do, which came up to £3.75, which I think is cracking value and is cheaper than quite a few other airlines. And the crew don't try and hard sell. That's something that people were saying and I thought might happen, and it didn't, so I was pretty happy with that. Enjoy the approach and landing in Stansted, and see if you can spot a certain ex-Soviet aircraft parked on the ramp.
Got it.
As you can see, we've now arrived into Stansted. As we taxi to our stand, let me give you some feedback on the flight. It was a perfectly good flight. The crew were perfectly friendly. They didn't try and hard sell, which was a nice surprise because a lot of people had said that. It was a perfectly smooth flight, and to be honest, for the value, you can't go wrong. I'll quite happily be booking Ryanair once again. And the only issue, if I'm nitpicking, is on this aircraft, the seat didn't have as much space because it was the older style seat. But that truly is nitpicking. You can't go wrong for the value that Ryanair offer. So thank you for watching this video. It was a great day at Frankfurt doing some spotting. I highly recommend it to anyone. Like, subscribe, share, give me feedback and comment, and let me know what content you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for watching Jake's Wings, and we'll see you again on the next video.